Take care of these tulips. Give them a little water. They look thirsty, right? Man. What's up, guys? MrAlanC checking out the electric water gun. This is going to be really fun, especially on those hot summer days. Let's take a look inside the box. All right, so this is how it comes packaged. Once I pulled it out of the box, I seen it was packaged in some bubble wrap. And what an impressive unit. So right here we have the water tank, and that can be popped open here and filled with water and easily sealed back shut. We have a retractable sight right there. And right here, this is going to be for the battery. So this includes 2 batteries, so you always have one that's fully charged, along with the USB 2 power charger for these batteries. They are rechargeable. All right, let's fill the tank with water. And pop the cap on. All right, and we'll go ahead and get that closed. Now let's put the battery in. Before I put that battery in, I'm just taking a look at how awesome this looks. Just take a look through that scope right there, guys. Pop the battery door off with the included screwdriver, and I'm going to put the battery in here. Now I'll seal the waterproof battery door shut. And here we go. Take a look at that. That is awesome. What a water blaster. Take care of these tulips. Give them a little water. They look thirsty, right? Man, this makes water in the garden a lot of fun. And that's it, guys. Thank you for checking this out with me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.